So, really excited to share this with you. We have created a complete done for you website and marketing framework that you can use that goes great with our first or next $500 online startup kit and has kind of everything in place for you. So, if we haven't met, I'm Alice Seba, and on behalf of my partner Yusuf Kulan and myself, let me give you a little tour of what we've got for you here. And just so you know, this template can be used for you to create your own simple offers that you can scale to greater milestones. You also have private label agency rights where you can use this template to build websites for clients. You can edit the templates, give those templates away. If you've made significant adaptations to it, maybe put in a full offer with products and stuff and downloads, and you've changed it a lot, you can even sell those templates. And anytime someone comes to Noomu, make sure you're using your affiliate link and you will get a recurring commission by sharing the template. So let's take a look, no matter whether you want to use this template for your own to make it super easy to get your offers out there. It's not even just the offers, there's also a ton of marketing assets. And let me go and show you. So I'll give you a quick run through and then we'll look at things more detail, go into the dashboard and stuff like that. But we've created a complete setup for 4 different types of products, whether it's a coaching or a course product, a simple digital product download, a service product that you're selling, or a physical product. And we do integrate with print on demand and shipping companies, so it makes it easy to deliver your product. So let's go look inside the dashboard and see what we've got here. It's a whole entire website. There's a customizable homepage. There's also an About Us page that's ready for fill in the blanks, a contact page where it's all you just fill in your information, but it is ready to start communicating with your prospects and your customers. But that's just the basics. And it's all in our drag and drop builder. It's easy to move things around and resize them, add text. There's a ton of widgets, add text, buttons, spacers, images, videos. You can upload videos. You can embed videos in our video player. You can add audio, galleries. You can integrate your store into any page as well. Store is inside your website as well, a full featured e-commerce store. There's community feature. You can add your social media. There's also a blog that you can incorporate into any page, but also there's a full featured blog that you can, set up posts for, countdown timers, add maps, portfolios, and a ton of other stuff. There's lots of templates that are fill in the blanks and also a lot that are even done for you, have a lot of the content filled in that you can also incorporate into what we've already created for you. But we've also tried to keep it really simple for you. So this website, the basic core is the home, about us, and contact page. And then we also have these done for you product funnels where it takes your visitor through the process of ordering. So the framework is already there. You fill in the blanks on the content or completely revise it however you want. And then it takes them into a custom checkout. And then when they're done, you can send them to a booking appointment, or you can send them to a download area, a members area for that. You can even have private discussion pages with your clients. It's all set up for you, or group discussions to invite your members to those discussions. So that's a quick peek at the complete course or coaching setup. There is also, as I mentioned, our digital product setup, where you can fill in the blanks, a slightly simpler sales page that you can fill in, for a lower cost product, and it kind of guides you. But of course, you can actually integrate elements from any page. All you have to do is copy different widgets from your page, and then you have them here and you can paste them over there. So if you see something on a page you like in one spot, you can bring it on over in here. We've also got the Canva templates so you can start making your own mock-ups. And so this funnel, we have the product order page, then we have the checkout, and you can add bump offers easily to this checkout. If you integrate into our full funnel feature, you can also add one-click upsells and downsells, but you can still add upsells because you can decide where the customer goes after they click. So after they order, so you can actually send them to their download area, or And in this case, this is what we've done. We've sent it to the download page, but it can also go to an upsell if you prefer. It's also integrated with email marketing. We've set up the lists for you and tagged them so that you can keep track of who's buying what and make sure you can follow up with them with the products they want to order. Then the simple digital product download page we have here, and it has a little store widget that can show the other products they might be interested in. That's all automated. And actually, the download product for a digital product, it's actually automated through your store. So you set up, and we've kind of given you your core sample products here that you can update. A digital download product always has a file that's attached to it. So it actually gets delivered automatically to your customer. You actually don't need to set up emails. You actually don't even need to set up that download page, but we have done a custom download page so that you could show other products and stuff like that. And then if your offer happens to be a service, we've created the framework for that. And obviously everything can be edited, and we have testimonials area for everything. If you don't have testimonials yet, you can delete any block, but you could also hide any block. So if you click that and you put the block is hidden, and save it, nobody will be able to see it, but you will always see this here, and you'll be able to put it back anytime and then make it public. So the service, it walks them through the product setup, the custom checkout, how I mentioned, where you can add a bump offer or redirect to an upsell offer afterwards. It connects to email marketing. And then it can either go to, or you can send them to both in the follow-up emails, or you can make an intermediary page. But if you want them to book an appointment after they book their service, then you send them here, or you can have them submit a form with information, whatever your process is. There's also a private client discussion page that you can use if you want to set up a new one for each client, just so that you can chat there. If you prefer email, that works too. But this is just a little extra place where it's automated in one place and you can use it together. And just mentioning the appointments, that's actually built into Noomu as well. We set up a test event in here, but you can update it. It allows you to obviously put your location, if it's Zoom or wherever you are having your meetings. You set up your operator. We put a placeholder operator, and that actually can link to their Google Calendar, so that new appointments get added to the calendar and it won't double book them. You put your general availability here, and then it works from your calendar. You can also have them answer questions when they do book an appointment if you'd like. So if you wanted a little bit of information at the same time as they're booking an appointment, you don't have to do a separate form. You could just add more fields if you want here. And the system will automatically, you can send a message there. You can send them to a different page. It'll also automatically send them an email, and you can make sure they get updates as well. And we do have a physical product setup. If you're selling physical products, doesn't matter what they are, if they're t-shirts, print-on-demand products, or other products that solve problems for your customers, this sales page is fill in the blanks and helps you focus on the benefits of your product rather than just the features, which is, you want your customers to understand what it'll be like when they use your product. It also takes them through that custom checkout, as we mentioned, and also a thank you page when it's done, and it has that sales widget as well. And you can also integrate with a few fulfillment companies, and you find that under our settings and applications, and you can see it integrates with Printful, ShipBob, Shippo, ShipStation, and the other integrations are for email, for text messaging. You don't have to integrate an email program, but you can, because we have the email marketing built right in, and we're going to show you that in a second as well. So those are the main offer setups. So we've got 4 different ones for you, but we've also incorporated a bunch of marketing assets. And when you look over here, you can see we have all these wonderful things put in categories: the course coaching offer, simple digital products, service offer pages, physical product offer pages, and you don't have to use everything. You can either delete what you don't want or save it for later. Just come in and see what you need. So in addition to that, we've also created a lot of marketing assets, which include free lead magnet kind of offers sign up, and then it goes to a form, connects to the email marketing. I'm going to show you that in a second. We have a done for you 10-step multiple choice quiz that you can use and customize to your own topic. A 7-day challenge. So it's the sign up they can go through to get onto the 7-day challenge. And then we also have an interactive challenge ready for you. We also have a bunch of social proof templates, FAQ. A blog feature is also here for you. I'm going to go back to those marketing assets, but I'll just give you a quick peek at the blog, fully customizable what's here on the side, and you can start posting your content that will drive in traffic, optimize them for search engines, and share them to your list or on social media and start building your traffic that way. So let's go back to these lead magnet offers. So we have the sign up page. It's fill in the blanks. The form is ready to go. It's actually connected to an email list. It goes to the download page, as you can see. It'll notify you when you sign up. So there's a tag ready and there's a list ready. You can rename the lists once you figure out what your free lead magnet is, but the tech setup is done. And you can add your about information. Again, there's a testimonial here as well. And a section that you can hide for now or add your own testimonials as well. And then it takes them to the download page. It's all set up and an automated email will be sent to them. And again, we're going to look at that email part in just a moment. And then we have the free quiz. So it's actually, as you can see here, there's the quiz page and then the results pages. So depending on what score they get, you can give them a completely different message. I'll show you that. So this is actually a done for you like personal development quiz, but you can modify it. And we did it gave you the done for you version so that you could see how it works and how you can adapt it as well. We've got full tutorials on how to use it, how to come up with your own quiz content, and so forth. But it all runs through this little widget right here that controls everything. And it will add them to an email list, tags them. You can even customize it even further that depending on their score, they get put on a different list. You have a lot of control and options. And again, there's step-by-step tutorials to show you how to use this. Quizzes can be a really powerful marketing tool because they get your audience engaged in the topic. You present yourself as a bit of as an authority, and they're already starting to realize things about themselves and preparing themselves for buying your product, working with you, etc. Then we also have the 7-day challenge sign up. So it's also fill in the blanks. It's a free challenge. If you want to change to a paid challenge, we actually have templates. We have a different funnel you can incorporate into here and offer a paid challenge. And in your training, we will link you to all those things so you can do it exactly how you want. When they sign up, they get a thank you page with instructions. It tells them what to do, say hi, and explore, getting them interactive. Also, if you have any extras, you can put the downloads here. And there's also space for a product before they dive into the 7-day challenge. And the 7-day challenge actually takes place in our community feature. And you can customize this completely to how you want. We have full tutorials on how to set this up exactly, but you can make it so that it drip feeds, that they can only see one challenge one day, then they see the next. You could do it on a schedule. You can make them have to complete the previous challenge to get to the next. Your congratulations page is designed to give you an opportunity to promote the next step for them, right? They completed the simple straightforward 7-day challenge. And we actually help you in the tutorials on how to create a simple challenge that is meant to be kind of like a lead magnet offer where it helps them get results. And then they're going to go and want to take the next step, which would be working with you or purchasing your product. So back in the builder, I'd also like to show you that we've incorporated our social proof and FAQ pages. So there is a testimonials page that you can use as a template to start adding your testimonials and have a dedicated testimonial page if you'd like, and also incorporate those testimonials in those little widgets on the sales pages as well. We also created a submission page based on how we structure our own testimonial submission. It gives people an opportunity to share their real, true review of your service and also allows you to collect testimonials that you will be able to post to your site. Noomu also has an automated reviews widget that I think is really suitable for if you sell lower cost products and you sell in high volume. Having the review widgets that's automated, people can rate and leave comments. and it's sort of an interactive thing, but it's all managed automatically. And you can choose to approve reviews or not as well before they're posted. There's also an FAQ page that you can also incorporate some of these items into your other sales pages, because a FAQ page, frequently asked questions, is actually really a great selling tool. It helps overcome objections. And when you write it really well and answer their questions in a way that leads to the sale, then that can actually help clinch a lot of sales where people might have clicked away. So there's a lot of questions here that will be useful for your products that you can incorporate into your own FAQs. You can publish this page when you're done. You can incorporate some of these questions into your specific offer pages and use them how you'd like. So we've also got the messaging and workflows. I'm going to go over here, which is essentially email marketing. And we've set up your automations for all the things that are already in here. So each one gets triggered when they purchase a product. So these first four are products, and or when they opt into something like the lead magnet or the 7-day challenge or the quiz. And we'll have training for that as well to show you how to use these. And anytime you're actually in the builder and you're in the dashboard, there's videos throughout the dashboard to help you work through the different thing that you're working on. We're also available anytime by email support. We have a community discussion. And also we have weekly live support sessions where we do things on screen with you and help you troubleshoot or help you fix problems. Sometimes it's good to do things on screen and get things done. So back to the automation. So I'll show you an example. They all have one email in them, but you can add to this. This is your framework. It's already set up. So you can see when the automation is triggered, when they make the purchase or get a tag, then they get this email. And we've created a fill in the blanks email that is suitable for the type of product that's there. It even links to, if you're using the members area page that we set up for you, or if you want them to book a session, it's already linked and you don't even need to worry about that. But of course, you can customize it completely how you want. So all the emails are like that. They're fill in the blanks and they are specific to the type of offer that you're making. On the free offers, for example, it shows them how to download it, goes to the download page we created for your lead magnet, and then a space to promote your product if they want to go further. So all the practical things are incorporated, but also we have them keep the marketing in mind for you. Whenever you want to add an email, you can just say a delay, or if they do something else. So you can delay it by a specific amount of time, one day, however, hours, minutes, you can do that. Or choose a very specific day. So we do a delay one day and then we can send an email. And then there's lots of templates, done for you templates that you can choose from. And you can also save your own templates as well. Also, when your customers purchase products, they will have a members area that they can access. So here's an example from a site. So they will have a members area that can add their biography. Becomes their members area to go and visit the community and be part of that 7-day challenge. They can add a biography, social links, and things like that. They can add their image here, but they'll also have access to all the download products that they've had. They'll be able to see their order history. And if there's any membership products, so if you use our course or coaching setup, that is a membership-based product, and they will be able to see that as well. And they can update all their information here as well. So it's easy for them to find everything and access all their purchases. So that was a lot, I know, and actually that ran a little longer than I intended to. But as you can see, there's so much done. It's all set up for you. It's a framework that you can go into. And if you use it in conjunction with our first or next $500 online startup kit, it will allow you to make those simple offers, get them up there, start testing things and using those marketing tools, and begin that scaling process so that you can go to your next milestone, because that's just the beginning. So if you are already using Noomu too, I'd like to let you know that if you've already got a website, All those different elements and things that I was showing you, those can be incorporated into your existing website if you don't want to start a new website, not a problem. If you're brand new, you can try us free for 14 days, start using that template, see how it works for you, and see how easy it is to become an expert marketer just by using Noomu and using our time-saving fill in the blanks website with that marketing framework built right in. So can't wait to see you there and see what you're creating.